In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Booksy clone on Webflow, step-by-step guide. We'll start by looking at Booksy as the inspiration for this project and identifying the core experience we want to recreate in Webflow. The goal is not just to copy the look, but to rebuild the most important features users expect, like browsing services, viewing provider details, and moving through a booking flow. I'll also give you a quick preview of what the finished project should feel like so you have a clear direction before building. From there, we'll set up a new Webflow project, configure the basic site settings, and create the main pages and navigation structure. Getting this foundation right early makes the rest of the build much easier, especially once dynamic content and booking related pages start connecting together. Next, we'll design the home page. This includes creating a strong hero section, adding a search style interface, and building out featured services and category areas. The homepage should immediately communicate what the site does and help users start finding appointments quickly. After that, we'll create service provider profiles. We'll add profile cards, show ratings, reviews, and service details, and then build provider detail pages that give users a fuller view of each listing. This is where the marketplace feel really starts to come together. Then we'll build the booking interface by designing forms, adding date and time selection fields, and creating confirmation screens. The key here is making the process feel simple and trustworthy, so users can move from interest to confirmed appointment without confusion. Once the main layouts are in place, we'll set up CMS collections for service providers, services, categories, and reviews. Then we'll connect that dynamic content across the site so your pages can scale more easily without rebuilding each section manually. We'll also create user dashboard pages for appointment history, upcoming bookings, and profile settings. These pages help make the project feel more complete and more like a real scheduling platform. To improve usability, we'll add search and filtering features, including service category filters, location-based filtering, and dynamic search functionality. This is especially useful when your directory starts growing. After that, we'll integrate forms and automations